Hello dear students, I am your teacher Taran Singh from Harvard Convent Senior Secondary School. Today I have come with a new topic, that is the proprietary ratio. So before discussing the topic, we will start from the formula. The formula of proprietary ratio is equal to equity divided by total assets, or equity divided by total assets into 100. So this formula can be expressed in the two terms. One is with 100 or without 100. So we have used two components. First one is the equity and second one is total assets. So we will start from the equity. Equity means shareholder fund. It includes share capital, both equity and preference, okay, plus reserve and surplus, plus profit and loss. Now we will move to total assets. It includes total assets is equal to fixed assets plus current assets. Total assets means fixed assets plus current assets. Fixed asset is equal to tangible and intangible. Tangible assets are those which we can touch, or intangible means which we cannot touch. And current assets are those assets which are easily convertible into cash. Tangible asset includes plant and machinery, building, furniture, etc. And tangible assets include goodwill, patents, trademark, and the last one, which is very important, that is the trade investment or long term investment. So I shall repeat: equity over total assets. So we need two components, equity and total assets. Equity means shareholder fund, that includes share capital, both equity and preference, plus reserve and surplus, plus profit and loss. Total asset includes fixed assets plus current assets. Fixed asset is equal to tangible and intangible, plant and machinery, building, furniture, etc. And intangible is equal to goodwill, patents, trademark, and trade investments. Okay, now we will start a example. Example number 56. Share capital is equal to 5 lakh. Non-current assets is equal to 20 lakh. Reserve and surplus that is equal to 3 lakh. And last one is current assets, that is equal to 12 lakh. So we know that share capital and reserve and surplus is the equal part of equity, and non-current assets and current asset, that is the part of total assets. So equity is equal to 5 lakh plus 3 lakh, that is equal to 8 lakh. and total assets is equal to non-current assets, that is a fixed asset, plus current asset, that is equal to 32,000, like, okay, into 100, that is equal to 25%. So now we will move to illustration number 58. Illustration number 58. In the illustration 58, there is the equity share capital, that is equal to 2 lakh. Preference share capital, that is equal to 3 lakh. Reserve and surplus, that is equal to 4 lakh. 12% debenture is equal to 16 lakh. Next is the current liabilities, that is equal to 6,80,000. Fixed assets tangible is equal to 21 lakh. Long term trade investment, that is equal to 2 lakh. Current assets is equal to 8,80,000. So as I told earlier, we need two components, equity and total assets. Equity is equal to equity share capital, preference share capital, reserve and surplus. Okay, so the total of this is equal to 9 lakh. So equity is equal to 9 lakh, and total assets include fixed assets, tangible, long-term trade investment. This is the intangible asset, and the current asset. The total is equal to 31,80,000. We have ignored debenture and current liabilities because this is not a part of equity or a total asset. So the answer is 9 lakh divided by 31,80,000 is equal to 1.99:1. So now we will try some question from the exercise. Here we have the question number 53rd. Question number 53rd is equal to share capital is equal to 3 lakh, non-current asset is equal to 13,20,000. Reserve and surplus is equal to 1,80,000, and the last one is the current asset, that is equal to 6 lakh. So as we know that we need two components, equity and total asset. Share capital and reserve and surplus is a part of equity. So equity is equal to 3 lakh plus 1,80,000, that is equal to 4,80,000. And total asset, that is equal to non-current asset, that is the fixed asset plus current asset, 13,20,000 plus 6 lakh, that is equal to 19,20,000. So when we will put these figures into formula, the answer will be 4,80,000 divided by 19,20,000, that is equal to 25%. Or 4,80,000 divided by 19,20,000 into 100, that is equal to 0.25. Okay. Move to question number 54. Equity share capital is equal to 3 lakh. Preference share capital is equal to 1,50,000. Reserve and surplus is equal to 75,000. Debenture, that is equal to 1,80,000. And the last one is trade payable. Trade payable, that is equal to 45,000. So as I told earlier, equity is equal to equity share capital, preference share capital, reserve and surplus. So we will ignore these two figures because these are not a part of equity. So next we will move to total assets. Fixed asset, that is equal to 3,75,000. Short-term investment. Short-term investment. When we will use this word short, it means that it is a current asset. That is equal to 2,25,000. Other current assets. Other current asset, it means that short-term investments are not included in this. That is equal to 1,50,000. So we have equity, we have total assets, then we will put this figure into the formula and then we will find the answer. Okay, so tomorrow I will come with a new video. For that time, stay home, stay safe. Bye.